To use an Afterpay single-use card, start by ensuring you have received your card details from Afterpay. This typically includes a 16-digit card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to keep these details secure and do not share them with anyone. Next, go to the online store where you want to make a purchase and add the items you wish to buy to your cart. Proceed to the checkout page and select the payment method as credit or debit card. Enter the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and security code from your Afterpay single-use card. You will then be asked to enter the billing address, which should match the address associated with your Afterpay account. Complete the checkout process and wait for the payment to be processed. Once the payment is successful, you will receive a confirmation email from the store and from Afterpay. It is essential to note that the Afterpay single-use card can only be used once and for the specified amount. Any remaining balance will not be refunded, so make sure to use the full amount. Additionally, the card can only be used for online purchases and not for in-store transactions. To avoid any issues, ensure that your Afterpay single-use card has sufficient funds for the purchase and that the card has not expired. If you encounter any problems during the checkout process, contact Afterpay customer support for assistance. By following these steps, you can easily use your Afterpay single-use card to make online purchases. Remember to keep your card details secure and only use the card for the intended purchase to avoid any potential issues. Using an Afterpay single-use card is a convenient and secure way to shop online. And by understanding how it works, you can take advantage of this payment method with confidence.